Yo, this is the second craziest thing. It's already my second video, and yet again I'm walking around my old school, and hopefully today no one will be able to see me. Um, and this is going to be just a quick update because nothing really major has happened today, except for me taking an L with a Bitcoin trade that I well did because of a trading group on Telegram, but I lost only like 9 Czech crowns, so like 40 cents, so that is perfectly fine. And then also a small update or a small information um, about the DOFE Duke of Edinburgh's award. No, it's called Duke of Edinburgh. Yeah, Duke of Edinburgh's award. It's possible for me at 15 to start the gold tier, basically. So 12 months of 2 activities and then 18 months of one of the 3, basically. So that's a good information. Because I'll be able to do it before my exchange trip to either the US or to France. And then, yeah, the broken pinky toe is still hurting. I forgot to mention it tomorrow, but I ran a kilometer with a broken pinky toe, so that was really fun. And the last video has 1 view, which is from me, which is quite sad, but yeah, it's more like a journal for me and to clear my head. It's 8:30, so yeah, I'm not expecting many views on the videos, but yeah, maybe sometime in the future it'll pick up, or maybe it won't. It will be just for me. So that is the reality. And I was also watching Jake Hopkins's Instagram course from the 10K Accelerator, and I really don't agree with some of the stuff he's saying. That, for example, all of the guys should have a post on Instagram where they're smoking a cigar. Well, why? I want to keep it, more like my personality style, and my personality is definitely not smoking a cigar. I wanted to project and to show who I really am from my posts, and include activities that I like doing and not smoking a cigar. And yeah, I will maybe have to plan a trip to somewhere interesting to take some photos with my friends, and get some posts on Instagram, because it really looks quite weird and quite stupid and quite scary for some people, maybe, if I don't have any post or any highlights on Instagram, and my story schedule is like once per month at most. So that's something I have to work on. And also I'll probably have to do or to plan the Switzerland trip quite a lot earlier, because in November or in late November there will probably be a lot of snow, and I'm not sure, so I have to look into that. And also I'm starting to develop a web game, browser-based game called the T-Clicker. Well, it's based on this popular game Cookie Clicker, but it will be with Teapot and with tea, and I'll do it with the help of ChatGPT, of course, but I have some basics in HTML and CSS and JavaScript and all of this, so hopefully in like a month it will be ready. And maybe if I don't forget, I'll put it into the description of this video. And yeah, so that's basically the update for today. And the last thing I wanted to tell you is that I was looking at Atele Lawrence on Instagram and YouTube and everywhere. He's a 15-year-old entrepreneur who I'm looking up to, because he has 150,000 followers and making 5 figures or 4 to 5 figures in USD per month, I believe, which for his age, he's a few months younger than me, is a huge achievement, huge inspiration. So I may take some of his real ideas or YouTube video ideas and try to recreate them. Other than that, that's basically it. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow once I'm back at this beautiful place. And bye. Business calling.